Hello guys. Okay. Um, ang purpose ko lang naman po is gagawa ng video presentation about itong program na pinasukan ko, which is Infinity Profit System. Before anything else, ako pala si Mac Elbs. Esther dyan. So, dito po yung profile picture ko. So, ako po yan. So, walang scam po. Okay? So, basically po, nag-start lang po ako a week ago with this program, Infinity Profit System. Take note guys, ito na po yung kinita ko. A total of $400 po within a week. $400. So, can you imagine po, anong magagawa nyo po sa $400 kung kumikita po kayo ng ganong amount in a week? So, maybe sa iba sa inyo is medyo maliit pa yan. Pero, for me, I'm just doing online. Pag nasa baya ko, at ito, kumikita ko ng ganito. So, anyway, itong program na to is not about actually me. It's about the people, yung natutulungan namin or natutulungan ng team namin. Okay, so I will just like to go through about the program itself, itong dashboard na to. Okay, so sa mga baguhan about the program, Infinity Profit System or IPS. So basically, ito po yung dashboard nila, main dashboard. Okay, so ano ba ang IPS? Ang IPS or Infinity Profit System is an online marketing system or program which is they sell digital products po. Okay? So, meron po silang dalawang package na binibenta. It's a $25 for a starter package and $100 for a basic package. Okay? So, ang sistema po nila is pass-up system po. Anyway, before po tayo makapag-purchase ng 25 at saka $100 na package, kailangan po natin magbayad ng $10 reseller's license or so-called admin fee. So, actually, recurring fee po to. Recurring fees po. So, monthly fee. So, magbabayad po tayo ng every month. So, $10 plus yung level na choose po natin that we have chosen. So, assuming nag-purchase po tayo, $10 na reseller's license plus yung level na pinasukan natin. Example, 25 lang po. So, ibig sabihin po, yung monthly po natin na binabayaran is $35 po. So, it's up to you kung saan kayang budget nyo. Kung gusto nyo kumuha ng both package, $25 and $100, depende po sa inyo yan. Pero kagandahan kasi dito, pero once you get the both package, $25 and $100 level, entitled po kayo sa both commission na to. So, ibig sabihin, every time na pumapasok yung tao sa inyo, is $125 yung potential na nakukuha nyo. Take note guys, 100% commission ang binibigay ng company. Okay? So, ito yung sistema nila, pass-up system. Paano po ba yung pass-up system? Ganito po. Ang program po, nire-require nila na magkaroon po tayo ng 4 na sign-ups. Okay? 4 lang po. So, within these 4, let's say, mayroon tayong 4. Yung first na sign-up or first sales is mapupunta po sa atin. Okay? Yung second sign-up, mapupunta po sa sponsor nyo, yung sino nag-refer sa inyo. Yung third sign-up, mapupunta sa inyo. Then, yung fourth sign-up, mapupunta sa sponsor nyo. Then, fifth and sixth to infinity sales is sa inyo na po mapupunta yung sales na yon. So, what if meron na kayong 4? So, yung 4 na yan magduduplicate. Anyway, guys, duplication is the key to this success po. So, kailangan po talaga nila mag-duplicate. So, assuming meron silang 4, yung 4 po is kailangan po natin tulungan yon. Okay, as a team. Okay? So, every time nag-duplicate sila, any of those 2 cells na meron sa kanila is ipapasa sa inyo as a sponsor. Okay? So, ganun po yung pass-up system nila. Okay? So, itong dashboard nila, okay? May referral links po dito. Ito yung mga links, personal links natin na pwede po natin i-share sa mga kaibigan natin or sa mga prospects. Bale, may 3 po tong link. Okay, dito po ninyo makikita yung sino po nag-sponsor sa inyo. And on this left-hand side, okay, once you click dashboard, so ito na po yung pinaka-dashboard nyo. Then, payment processor, ito po yung pinaka-importante once you join the program. First thing you need to do po is to set up your payment processor. Bakit po? Kasi dito po, ito po yung payment na marireceive po natin is a method or a way na parang makaka-receive po tayo ng commission. So, it's up to you kung ano po yung isa-select niya po. Itong first to get merchant account at saka connect first data, it only applies to US resident only. So, the rest of this, pwede po sa atin mga Pinoy. Okay? Connect IPS for payments. Ibig sabihin po, we are allowing the IPS, Infinity Profit System, to collect the payments or commissions on our behalf. Connect coin payments through Bitcoin. Connect Solid Trust Pay or STP, kung meron po tayo niyan. At itong set up other payment methods, dito po nakabilang yung PayPal at saka Payza po sa set up other payment methods. So, depende po sa atin kung anong set up payments ang gusto natin. Pero sa part ko po, ang choose ko po is Connect. Ang pinili ko po is Connect, IPS for payment. So, at least less hassle na rin sa part ko. Although, take note guys, yung if you choose Connect IPS for payments, magkakaroon po ng porsyento yung company every time you're doing transaction. So, bali, 80% mapupunta sa atin, 20% ang makakuha nila. So, assuming may $100 commission tayo. So, $80 mapupunta sa atin, 20% sa kanila. But the good thing is, safe naman yung pera natin at in any cases, they are liable for any losses just in case kung may nagkaroon ng problema sa account natin. Kasi sila ang nangangalikta ng pera natin eh. Okay, so ito ang pinaka-importante once you join the program. Set up first your payment processor ASAP. So, the rest of the thing here, actually, napakaganda yung system po kasi we are able to learn some of the few things about online marketing. Katulad ito, may mga capture pages sila. Okay. So, you can use this if you're promoting your links. Okay. There are several capture pages that you can choose. Okay, depende na po sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo. Okay. Products, leaderboards, dito po naka-indicate yung mga top earner natin in a month, in a week, at saka yung all-time na top earner. Okay, let us check. Okay, so you can see here, all-time, last 30 days and 7 days. Okay, itong si Lewis, number 3, is actually my upline. Upline ko po yan. Okay, siya po rin yung behind this group, so-called, ito po, IPS Living the Dream Team. Ito po yung secret group page namin. Group page namin. So once you're a paid members under us, you will be added on this group. And lahat po ng info is andito po. As a paid members, Lewis and the rest of the team and the admin will guide you on how to do the program. Okay. So back to our dashboard. Ito po yung maganda dito, my rotator. Okay, so assuming di po tayo magaling sa pag-recruit ng tao. Okay, so let's say me, I've already built my team. So in a way of helping my team, to achieve a sign up, magkaroon silang sign up. So ito po yung tutulong sa kanila. Rotator is actually a tool na tutulong sa kanila, sa mga members, na magkaroon ng sign ups nila. Although, each one of us are allowed naman na i-promote yung personal links natin. Okay, so as you can see, may total 14 links ako dito sa rotator ko. This is my personal rotator aside from the team's rotator and the company rotator also. So dito pwede natin i-add yung sarili link natin sa mismong company. So depende po sa inyo. Okay, so ito po yung kagandahan. So I just created the links. So as you can see, there are some visits na sa mga ano nila, mga personal links. Okay. Business partners. Dito niyo po makikita. I will not click kasi andun po yung mga information ng mga business partners ko, emails and contact list. Anyway, dito po yung makikita yung mga downlines niyo po at yung mga partners niyo po. Okay, so business partners. Leads, every time may pumapasok or nagki-click ng ano nyo, personal links, dito nyo po makikita yan. Okay. So napakaganda po yung system nila kasi you're able to learn din dito like blogging, how to set up a autoresponder. Marami po tayong matutunan dito. If I'm not wrong here, products. Okay. So here under starter products, if you have paid for this, ito po yung mga makukuha mo. How to set up my blog. If you are a basic member, lahat po to matututunan mo. Autoresponder sign up or how to set up a autoresponder. Meron silang SMS platform. This is actually a newly launched program within this platform. Ayun, pwede din pala mag-SMS. Okay? I'm not very sure about this kasi medyo bago po siya. So basically ito po yung dashboard. Okay? So so far yun lang po yung about sa program na to. If you think na hindi pa talaga klaro sa inyo, okay, you can talk to the person who invited you to join Infinity Profit System, or you can connect with me in Facebook. Okay, yung Facebook account ko po isa to. Ito mismo, Mac Elves Estanjan. Okay, public lang po yun siya. So you can just add me as your friend, and you can ask anything about the program Infinity Profit System. So ito po guys, 1 week I've already gained $400, which is really wow. Habang nasa baya ako, kumikita ko ng $400. So in peso is around, magkano na po ba yan? 100 times 46, 4,006. More or less 16 to 18,000 is not bad na po. Kasi nasa bahay lang po ako. So kung may mga tanong po kayo, just message me on Facebook. First thing, you need to add me on Facebook. Okay? Add me sa Facebook, then you can just send a message kung may mga tanong kayo or interesado kayo to join the program. So, basically, ito po yung main dashboard ng Infinity Profit System. So, yun lang po guys. I hope may natutunan kayo. So, almost 14 minutes na video na to. I hope di kayo na boring. Okay, so, yun lang po guys. See you and God bless. Bye-bye.